Okay, in the next exercise we have an autumn season with brown or black woods in our jungle. Again, we review the technique together. Go to the adjustment and create a channel mixer. Click it. Then my present is default and output channel is red. I want to change red, green and blue. So I change red. I change until I feel it good. For example, there. And change it to there or there. To there. Good. And I change blue a little, change it to positive 19. Okay, I come back to my background layer and unlock my background. Let's unlock it. After unlock it, I come back to my main layer and set mode to lighten. Okay, go to the adjustment again and create a selective color. Your present is default and your colors is yellow. Why yellow? Because we want to work with green, yellow and brown color, and yellow option is okay. Now I want to change some part, for example crayon -15, the magenta -30, I think it's good, the yellow to positive 30 and the black. I think positive 10 is good, but you can change it as you want. So in this picture I don't need to lens flare, and I think it's an evening time and we don't have a shine or sunshine. I don't change the lighting here. Just come back to my main layer and right click on it, then click to flatten layer to unify every layers together. It's okay. After that I'm going to my favorite filter. Its name is camera filter. It's the best filter in the Photoshop. Go to filter and click to camera filter. Shortcut it becomes Shift plus Ctrl plus A. Okay, I don't change this part. For example, I just a little change my shadow, very it's plus 15. Okay, I change a little texture, a little and a little tint to -10. I think it's good. Before texture, clarity and the highs, I change my vibrance. It's very good to positive 55. It's nice. And to saturation I change it a little, positive 5. Now you can change your texture as you want, a little, and clarity and the highs. As you see, some part of this wood and this color is changed to nature and normal color, and it's nice. I think it's enough and I don't change anymore. So I click OK. And look at this picture, very good. So I want to show you before and after this technique. Look at this. It's before, it's autumn, and we are a lot of red, orange, and a little yellow in this picture. So it's before, then it's after. It's a spring full of green leaves on the earth and on the trees. It's before, after, before, after. Very good. I think this technique is very sweet and enjoyable. It's incredible. You can change the season in your Photoshop program, and you can enjoy this program with me and with my tutorial.